Hello, Mary, what are you doing?
Hello, Peter. I'm packing for vacations.
Wow, you are going on a vacation. That's awesome.
Yes, Peter. Would you like to join me?
Why not? Where are you going?
I'm going on a jungle safari.
Great, it's going to be an awesome journey. Let us go.
Peter, what if we found some treasure in the jungle?
Wow. Yes, Mary, let us find out some clues and, you never know, we will be lucky to have treasure.
Yes, Peter, let us go.
Start your Beebot at the pirate ship. Move 2 kilometers north and take left. Then 2 kilometers west and take right. Then 1 kilometer north and take right. It's wrong. We have to take left. Then 1 kilometer west and take left. Then 2 kilometers south, let's go. That's correct.